Hey everybody, Natalie here from TotallyDazzled.com. Today I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite napkin folds. It's the bow fold napkin. I think it's so super pretty. It's really elegant. It's gorgeous for a wedding, a bridal shower, a baby shower, a dinner party. I think it's just perfect for any occasion like Mother's Day or Easter. It's really feminine, it's really pretty, and I absolutely love it. And best of all, it's pretty quick and easy to do. So you'll need a napkin. A square napkin is best. And the first step is to just fold your napkin in half on a diagonal like this so that you have a triangle. And then all you want to do is fold up the napkin, and basically however narrow or wide you fold your napkin will determine how wide or narrow your bow will become. So I'm going to go a little bit kind of medium on this one, and then you just want to keep folding it up, folding it up, folding it up, and folding it up all the way until you get to the top, and then just flip it so that the last side with the fold is on top, and then you want to fold it like this in half so that you can kind of see like a bow shape forming. Then all you want to do after that is kind of squish it together a little bit so you can slide on your ring, and don't worry, it will come, you know, apart very easily once your ring is on and separate back into that bow shape. You'll see. Okay, so now I have our ring on. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. And then you can just puff out your bow as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna make mine just slightly puffier. I think this is so cute, guys. It's so pretty, even for like a you know, princess or ballerina birthday or anything sort of that is girly or feminine. I think this is just perfect. And then just check that out on top of our napkin. It's so super pretty. I absolutely love it. Quick, easy, beautiful, elegant. Can't go wrong with the bow fold napkin folding tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did like it, we're going to be bringing you a whole series actually of napkin folding tutorials, including some of our napkin rings from TotallyDazzled.com. So if you enjoyed this one and you want to see more like this, please consider subscribing. We'll be coming to you every week with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, thank you for shopping at TotallyDazzled.com.